Example sentences of simple past. I visited the museum last weekend. I visited the museum last weekend. She cooked dinner for her family last night. She cooked dinner for her family last night. They watched a movie yesterday. They watched a movie yesterday. He finished his homework before dinner. He finished his homework before dinner. We played soccer in the park on Saturday. We played soccer in the park on Saturday. The cat chased a mouse in the garden. The cat chased a mouse in the garden. I read a fascinating book last month. I read a fascinating book last month. She traveled to Italy last summer. She traveled to Italy last summer. They cleaned the house yesterday. They cleaned the house yesterday. He repaired the car on Sunday. He repaired the car on Sunday. We celebrated her birthday at a restaurant. We celebrated her birthday at a restaurant. The dog barked at the mailman this morning. The dog barked at the mailman this morning. I wrote a letter to my friend. I wrote a letter to my friend. She painted a beautiful landscape. She painted a beautiful landscape. They danced at the party last night. They danced at the party last night. He studied for his exam all night. He studied for his exam all night. We visited our grandparents last weekend. We visited our grandparents last weekend. The kids built a sandcastle at the beach. The kids built a sandcastle at the beach. I listened to music on my way home. I listened to music on my way home. She planted flowers in the garden. She planted flowers in the garden. They bought a new house last year. They bought a new house last year. He drove to work early this morning. He drove to work Early. This morning. We hiked up the mountain last weekend. We hiked up the mountain last weekend. The birds sang beautifully this morning. The birds sang beautifully this morning. I joined the book club last month. I joined the book club last month. She baked a cake for the party. She baked a cake for the party. They adopted a puppy from the shelter. They adopted a puppy from the shelter. He played the guitar at the concert. He played the guitar at the concert. We went shopping for groceries yesterday. We went shopping for groceries yesterday. The sun set behind the mountains. The sun set behind the mountains. I took a nap in the afternoon. I took a nap in the afternoon. She attended a conference last week. She attended a conference last week. They organized a charity event. They organized a charity event. He wrote an article for the magazine. He wrote an article for the magazine. We enjoyed a picnic in the park. We enjoyed a picnic in the park. The cat slept on the windowsill. The cat slept on the windowsill. I swam in the lake during the summer. I swam in the lake during the summer.